Hi, it's Christina Nichols with NicholsGPS. Welcome to this week's What's on the Whiteboard. And this week we are giving our donor relations or stewardship people a serious shout out. So, in our world of fundraising and running organizations that focus on philanthropy, these are the unsung heroes of the work that we do. So often those who are frontline or really showing growth in results through solicitations are those who are receiving the accolades, but those donor relations folks, they know what's going on and they deserve to get a shout out. So here is your shout out. The donor relations folks. So we've been doing a little bit of a series on being a mirror and a window with roles within fundraising. And I think that donor relations or stewardship, however your organization refers to it, is one of those opportunities to look at that role as really a 360. How are we as fundraising professionals working with donor relations professionals within our organization? And also, how are we approaching the stewardship of our donors? If you don't have a dedicated donor relations or stewardship person in your organization, don't worry, this is still for you. We need to think about how our donors and prospects see us and the work that we're doing, and how they see the utilization of their gift to advance our mission. And that's what our donor relations colleagues are doing every single day on our behalf. So thank you for doing what you do, donor relations professionals. You are making the world a better place, literally. So not just within our organization, but by really showing the impact of the gifts that our donors are making. So thank you for what you do. And if for a little mirror and window experience, I guess, let's think about it this way. So from a donor relations perspective, in a mirror, you know that what you provide is a way for donors to feel really great about what they've done. And if you do your job well, everybody else around you looks really good too. So thank you for doing that. And in the window perspective, you have a seat that really kind of, you're sitting on the little twirly chair. No matter where you look, you see the impact of the work that your colleagues are doing and the work that you're doing. And so you have a lens into advancement services because you need to be able to report on gifts and how they're being used and when they're made and who's thanking them because of gift level. For the frontline fundraisers, you probably know a lot about their donors that they may not even know because you are researching as you're writing the stewardship letters or helping your frontline fundraisers write those. You're providing them key information that then ties into prospect research as well. You may uncover something really interesting while you're drafting those letters. And then on the annual giving side, you may be charged with thanking your first time or repeat donors or those who are at that leadership annual giving level or some of the giving societies. So where you sit, you see so much of what's happening in the organization and you're able to provide a window as well as kind of this like soothing balm over the wounds that may happen within a fundraising office. So you really have this opportunity to shape the culture, shape the feeling and feelings of positivity around the work that you do. And often, depending upon the work that your organization does, you get to hear some of the really cool impact stories about how the money that is being raised for your organization is being put to work every day. So when you share those, that's kind of being a mirror. Are you sharing that information with your colleagues so they can do their work better and also feel inspired about what they're doing? So are you doing that? And yes or no? And if you are, thank you. And if you're not, here's a great opportunity to help those around you feel really great about what you do every single day. So thank you for the work that you do, stewardship and donor relations professionals. You are so important to your donors, to the organization, and to your colleagues. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And for those of you who haven't already subscribed to the Nichols GPS newsletter, you can do so at NicholsGPS.com. Or for maybe today's activity, if you just want to give a shout out to your favorite donor relationship or stewardship person and say thanks for the work they do, I'm sure they would appreciate being thanked for thanking all of those who support what you do. So have a great day. Thanks for watching and talk with you soon. Bye-bye.